इस हफ्ते the crude prices have shaken up the global market significantly. Let's look back through our capsules and see how the oil prices behaved this week.
ऑयल 15% ऊपर और मार्केट इंट्राडे 2.5% नीचे। ऑयल प्राइसेस आर बैक टू $90, बट द क्वेश्चन इज क्या ईरान फिर से रिटेलिएट करेगा? क्या मार्केट फिर से गिरेगी?
क्रूड ऑयल $120 से $80 तक गिर गया, that too in a matter of 24 to 48 hours.
And currently, the oil prices are hovering around the $99 mark. This week, there were also major swings in the Indian market, with Nifty 50 going up by over 2% by Tuesday and ending the week with a net 2.9% drop. इससे ये तो साफ है कि India is extremely sensitive to disruptions in the oil market, as you can see with LPG going up by 60 rupees. But there is no need for fear. As we said in capsule 19, India की energy needs secured. India के पास लगभग 50 दिन का रिजर्व बचा हुआ है. And we can expect about 20 million barrels of Russian oil in the next 10 days. This accounts for about 30% of our daily consumption. तो ये बात साफ है, even if the Strait of Hormuz is shut, India can secure its energy needs by importing from Russia, US, Africa and even South America. Additionally, Iran has allowed 2 Indian oil tankers to pass through the Strait of Hormuz, something that we can likely expect to continue ahead. But the long-term effects need to be kept in mind as well. पहले तो ऑयल प्राइस के बढ़ने से कंपनी मार्जिन स्क्वीज होंगे और कुछ पार्ट विल बी पास्ड ऑन एज इन्फ्लेशन. दूसरा, इसके चक्कर अपना ट्रेड डेफिसिट बढ़ेगा, इंपोर्ट बिल बढ़ेगा एंड द रुपी विल फर्दर वीकन. तीसरा, the central bank may not be able to cut repo rate due to the higher inflation rates.
हमारा ट्रेड डेफिसिट drastically increase होगा due to this oil price surge. So what should an investor do to ride the tide of this dollar appreciation? Indian investors को US markets में invest करना पड़ेगा.
As investors, we need to follow the situation closely and understand the market movements. Subscribe to our channel as we discuss important topics such as, is this the right time to invest in the Indian markets and how to invest in the US markets. Godspeed investors.